we will see what do we mean by a quadratic function and how do we find the axis of symmetry for a quadratic function. So, the quadratic function is a function which can be expressed in the form fx equal ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b and c can be any real numbers provided the value of a is not equal to 0. So it means the coefficient of x power 2 should not be equal to 0. So for such a quadratic function, the axis of symmetry is given by the formula x is equal minus b over 2. So we must know like what is this axis of symmetry. So we know that the graph of the quadratic function is nothing but a parabola. Okay. So for instance, if the parabola is like this, then axis of symmetry is a line which intersects this parabola into two equal halves. So if we visualize it, it will be a straight line passing through this. So this line, this is the value of x. If we consider this as x-axis and this as y-axis, this value of x is nothing but, and suppose this point is A, we call it as axis of symmetry. Okay, then let's understand one more point, that is the vertex of a quadratic function. So vertex is a point where the parabola, the graph of the function intersect the axis of symmetry. So this point is nothing but the vertex. Okay, and it is given by the formula minus b over 2a, that is the value of axis of symmetry, and the value of function at minus b over a. Okay, so understand the difference. Axis of symmetry is a line, whereas vertex is a point. Now, let us see how to find the axis of symmetry and vertex for a given quadratic function. Suppose you have a function 3x squared plus 5x minus 3. Okay, so the very first thing to find the axis of symmetry or the vertex is to find the value of a, b and c. For that, we compare it with the function, the standard form of quadratic function, which is ax squared plus bx plus c. So when we compare the coefficients, the coefficient of x power 2 is nothing but a. The coefficient of x is the value of b, and the coefficient, the constant term is nothing but the value of c. Here we have to take the negative sign because by default it's positive. So this gives us a equal 3, b equal 5 and c is equal to minus 3. Okay, now recalling the formula for axis of symmetry. Yes, what is it? It is x equal minus b over 2a. We have the value of a and b here. So yes, substituting the values here, we get minus the value of b is 5 over 2 times a. A is nothing but 3. So this gives you the axis of symmetry is minus 5 over 6. It is up to you. Either you convert it into decimal or you keep it same. It doesn't matter. Okay. So this is how you find axis of symmetry. Now, when we talk about the vertex, we know that vertex is minus b over 2a and f of minus b over 2a. So minus b over 2a is nothing but the axis of symmetry. So we have the value which is minus 5 over 6. So it means the vertex is nothing but minus 5 over 6 and the value of function at minus 5 over 6. Okay. So we need to solve this value. So for that what we will do, f. We know that f of x is this 3x squared plus 5x minus 3. Replacing x everywhere by minus 5 by 6, we will get the value of f of minus 5 by 6, which is 3 times minus 5 over 6 power 2 plus 5 times minus 5 over 6 minus 3. Now you can simplify it by using calculators to get the value of f of minus 5 over 6. So when you solve it, you will get the value of this as minus 5.08. So you have f of minus 5 over 6 is minus 5.08. So hence you have your vertex as minus 5 over 6 and minus 5.08. Okay.